Hi, this is the HAFURY GT20 and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So to use the power key button, like for example to quick launch the camera application, you should open first the settings, then scroll down to the system, tap to the gestures and click jump to camera. To turn off this option, click once on the switcher. Now let's just lock the device. And so let's press twice to the power key button. So once again, system, gestures, jump to camera, click to the switcher to activate this option, and now twice press the power key and we could see that the camera app successfully activated. If you want to turn it off, you should just use the switcher once again and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.